Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dignity Health, full guide step by step clearly. To access your Dignity Health account, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Dignity Health website URL. Once the home page loads, look for the sign in option. This option is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign in button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your username in the designated field. Then, move to the password field and enter your password. Double-check both entries for accuracy. If you are using a personal device, you may choose the option to remember your login information. Once you are confident that your credentials are correct, click on the Sign In button. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your Dignity Health account dashboard. In case you forgot your username or password, select the relevant link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password or recover your username. After you have successfully logged in, explore the various features available on your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection for stability. For persistent problems, consider reaching out to Dignity Health's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.